Hello. Today we're going over chapter 7, the metric measurements. Now, let's think about stuff we know, okay? What do you know about centimeters? What do I know? Think about it. Dun-dun-dun. Yeah, your finger measures about 1 centimeter. So would I use this to measure something like my car? Probably not. It would take you a very, very long time. Now, so for centimeters we can measure, what do you think? Come on, think of some stuff. A worm? Possibly. That's a good one. Yeah, true. Maybe your science notebook? What do you think? Yeah, true. Good one. What else? Tell your mom. Tell your dad. Tell the year next to you. Yeah. What would we measure with meters? Oh, yeah. Meters. They're kind of as long as, well, if you extend your arms out, both of them. Yeah, both of them. That's almost a meter. So we would measure things that are small or large. You're right. Larger things that have a larger length with meters. Way to go, guys. Yay! Now, let's keep thinking. So, let's go on and think about, I want you to think about, how do we measure? Well, yeah, normally we start at what? 0. You're right. Normally we would start at 0. And then we start at 0. Notice that it's 0. We know that. And we know it stops at 6. So you're like, hey, 1 centimeter, 1 space. All these spaces are the same size. Do you notice that? Because they're equal. They're the same. Okay, they all say 1 centimeter. So this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. That's why we see 6 there. So this spoon measures 6 centimeters. Okay? And it says, look at the objects measured, then fill in the blanks. So then we go on. And then we see the paintbrush. And what do we know? Well, it doesn't start at 0, but it starts at 2. And it ends at 11. So then, what are we going to do? Forget it? Just leave it there? No. Let's keep on thinking. Whoa. Can we still measure those spaces? Yes, we can, because they all measure 1 centimeter. So it's 1 here. We can just write that 1. And another 1 centimeter, and another 1 centimeter, and another 1 centimeter. And they all measure that 1 centimeter. Now I'm going to count the amount of spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it measures 9 centimeters in length. But you're also thinking, hey, there's another way I could have done that. They didn't have to count all those spaces. We could say it ends at 11, and it starts at 2. So ends at 11, starts at 2. So we go ahead and we subtract. Okay? So 1, 1, take away 2 ones. We can't. So we go to next door and regroup, and we take away that 1, 10. Bring it over to the ones place as 10 ones. And 10 ones plus that 1, 1 we already had gives us 11 ones. Okay, now we can count up 2 to get to 11. We say 2 in our brain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That was 9. And 9 and 2 more gives us 11, so it's right. And then again, we're going to do the same thing with the popsicle stick. Then I want you to go on and answer these. The craft stick is centimeters longer than the spoon. Who is longer? You'll figure out once you do those. And here, remember, we are comparing. And if we compare, we're finding that they're different. And you have to find the difference. And we find the difference by performing a subtraction. Okay, we're going to have to subtract if we are comparing. If they're asking us to compare two things that are different. They have things that are different. The difference. Now, let's go on and for our last problem. And remember, first thing first, we draw. Okay, Jane has 5 meters of cloth. So here's some cloth. There it goes. 5 meters. Now, 5 meters. He needs 16 meters more, so you need some more. Maybe all the way to there. Okay, he needs this much more. We're adding more to it. Now, so he needs 16 meters more. There's the more. Now, how many meters of cloth are needed to make the curtains? So we've got this whole amount that we need to find. Do we have the parts? Yes. Do we need the hoe? Yes. Now you know what we do when we have that, when we come to that problem. So I'm going to leave it at that. On the next YouTube video, I will remind you and how you solved it and what you got as the answer. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe and do your best so tomorrow we can do our best at school. Thank you.